latest Disney news. Let's get into it. Guests are now getting a better look at the Tron Light Cycle run canopy as the large support structure is being removed from beneath the white steel. The brown steel supports were holding the pieces of the canopy in position until the entire structure was completed and able to support itself. Parts of the supports closest to the building are still in position waiting to be removed. As this phase nears its conclusion, we are expected to see a pause in construction, with the ride now expecting to open later in 2022. Disney is yet to make any official announcements on a timeline for the coaster's opening. After nearly 14 months since its last performance, Dreaming Up, Tokyo Disneyland's daytime parade, is finally turning to the park starting today. Dreaming Up first debuted as part of Tokyo's 5th anniversary celebration back in April 2018. The parade was rumored to return on March 27th along with 2 stage shows, but the date came and went without any word. Several rehearsals of Dreaming Up have been spotted since January, hitting at the parade's official return. Dreaming Up will replace the Mickey and Friends Greeting Parade, which has taken place daily at Tokyo Disneyland since it reopened on July 1st of last year. Some issues in the past have created a blanket statement for Disneyland to include in their reopening information guidelines. Disney reserves the right to require a guest to leave if they are not properly wearing an improved face covering, using profanity or offensive language towards our cast members or other guests, and or violating any other park rules. Given this unprecedented situation, we appreciate everyone's patience and understanding. Disneyland will continue to uphold safety of all guests and are ensuring that anyone who causes issues will be removed from the park. Pretty much, just enjoy your time at the park. If they ask you to put up your mask, just do it. It's not that difficult. You've been doing it for at least over a year. Now at Tokyo Disney Sea, at the American waterfront theme port, guests step into the yesteryear for a glimpse at a promising tomorrow. Touring New York City at the turn of the century in 7 classic cars powered exclusively by electricity. Tokyo Disney Resort is working to reduce greenhouse gas emissions by creating experiences like big city vehicles that avoid running on premium on power. Since they are running on electricity, the cars are virtually quiet. A loud engine noise effect is added to fit in with the classic time period. Now at Hong Kong Disneyland, horticulturalists are converting green waste to wood chips in an effort to efficiently improve soil health. Wood chips serve as a soil conditioner, retaining soil temperature and moisture, which also helping to regulate weed and bacteria growth. The wood chipper program at Hong Kong Disneyland allows the greenery to grow while keeping the waste at a low. Under proper treatment, in a year's time, wood chips can decompose and turn into soil conditioner that can be put in planters as a soil fertilizer. Following the arrival of the 5th and final Harmonious barge on the World Showcase Lagoon, 2 primary pyrotechnic barges have been positioned around the centerpiece ring. Back in February, 2 smaller fireworks barges made their way onto the lagoon, but now these barges are larger and well equipped for grand pyrotechnics. These barges are each located on the east and west side of the centerpiece ring, further emulating the compass layout that Walt Disney Imagineers created for Harmonious. Various elements of Harmonious will include fountains during the day and lighting and pyrotechnics at night as part of an original spectacular unique to Epcot, showcasing a message of global connection. Today, there was daytime testing of a large water fountain in front of the center barge, While the show will take place at night, the fountains will be active during the daytime. Earlier this month, scaffolding was erected inside the greenhouses of Living with the Land. Today, more scaffolding has been added to the attraction as the work progresses. As guests cruise through the greenhouses, views of metal scaffolding are now inescapable. The scaffolding towers over the various plants and greenery found within the attraction. Guests who have visited Epcot recently will know that the park is currently no stranger to construction projects. Based on the placement of the scaffolding, we anticipate this project includes maintenance on the roof of the Living with the Land greenhouse. The presence of the scaffolding dims the light on top of some of the showcase plants. Unfortunately, all the metal piping and platforms are a distraction from the beautiful horticulture. Hopefully, this project progresses quickly and nears completion soon. A new commemorative adult Mickey ear hat is available to celebrate first visits and first returns to the park, joining a Disney World version of this hat, which was also recently debuted. Featuring Mickey, Goofy, Donald, and Pluto, the blue and yellow hues will accent nearly everything. The Disneyland Resort logo can be found embroidered on the side of the hat. Autographs from your favorite Disney friends are right by your side. The ears have signatures from Chip and Dale, Daisy Duck, Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse, and Goofy. Donald Duck and Pluto added their marks on the ears as well. This colorful new hat is now available in World of Disney at Downtown Disney District. Disney's Grand Californian Hotel and Spa is reopening a day earlier on April 29th. Here's an update on who exactly will be able to eat there. GCH Craftsman Bar, GCH Craftsman's Grill, and Hearthstone Lounge will be reopened with the hotel on April 29th. However, Disney has stated that only guests staying at the Grand Californian will be able to eat at these locations. This is a big difference from the hotels at Disney World. Anyone can eat in those restaurants as long as they've made a reservation. This is not the case at the Grand Californian, where outside guests will be unable to dine. If you want to book a room, Disney's Grand Californian Hotel is now taking reservations. Disney World President Jeff Vail has shared on Instagram that a celebration of Festival of the Lion King will debut on mid-May at Disney's Animal Kingdom. Vail says, "Our cast is back in rehearsals for a celebration of the Lion King, preparing for the show's mid-May debut as entertainment continues to return across Disney World." Disney's Animal Kingdom Vice President Sarah Riles and I stepped in to welcome them recently, and hearing that wonderful, familiar music put a lump in my throat. Thrilled to have these talented cast members back on our stage. We can't wait to see you there either. Shang-Chi and the Legend of the Ten Rings has gotten its first trailer, showing off the high-flying martial arts action and a new hero for the interconnected universe of Marvel Studios and shows. Shang-Chi, who's known in the comics as Marvel's preeminent master of martial arts. The trailer serves as a short introduction to Shang-Chi as he faces off against the mysterious Ten Rings organization and its true leader, the Mandarin. The Ten Rings has been a figure lurking in the background of the entirety of the MCU, first introduced in 2008's Iron Man and a copycat group in Iron Man 3, but Shanghai promises to reveal the actual group for the first time. Shang-Chi and the Legends of the Ten Rings will debut in theaters only on September 3rd. Thank you guys for all your love and support. The channel is slowly growing, so let's keep it up. I enjoy giving you news about all things Disney. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos. While you're at it, don't forget to subscribe to my Instagram and Patreon, which are both Disney with Washington, for more content, and I guarantee you won't regret it. We are now over 600 followers. Thank you for everyone who follows my content, and we're just getting started. Again, thank you for your support, and remember, guys, it's a great, big, beautiful tomorrow.